Hello friends. Welcome back to Journey for Learning. Today, we're going to explore an exciting topic from Class 9 Biology. Relationship of biology with other sciences. Here we study 7 relations of biology with sciences. Let's start it. First is biochemistry. It means studying the chemicals inside living things. For example, when we eat food, our body changes it into energy. Next is biophysics. Biophysics mixes physics and biology. Like how the heart pumps blood or how our eyes see light, all these follow the rules of physics. Third is computational biology. This field uses computers to study biology. Scientists use it to track how diseases spread or understand DNA. Fourth is biogeography, explains where animals and plants live, and why. Like kangaroos live only in Australia, ever wondered why? That's biogeography. Fifth is biostatistics, means using math to study health and biology. Like how many people a vaccine saved, numbers tell the story. Sixth is biotechnology, uses living things to make useful products. For example, scientists use bacteria to make insulin for diabetic patients. At last is bioeconomics. This combines biology and economics. It helps us use nature wisely, like how much fish we should catch so the ocean stays full of life. Let's revise quickly. Biochemistry, chemicals in life. Biophysics, physics in biology. Computational biology, computers in biology. Biogeography, where life lives. Biostatistics, math in health. Biotechnology, making useful things. Bioeconomics, saving nature with smart choices. Which of these science connections surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Journey for Learning. Thanks for watching. See you next time.